You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn not only how to pronounce this word, but if you want to learn how to pronounce names of actual companies, that the most confusing ones around the world, all of them essentially, stay tuned. I've got videos for you. I'll link to them right after we go through how to pronounce this word in British English, airlines, American English, airlines. Now you know this. Here are videos on how to pronounce names of actual airlines. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.